Standard ceramic granite tiles usually have a thickness of about 9 millimeters and weigh roughly 19 to 20 kilograms per square meter, presenting a notable weight. To address challenges like leveling and joint finishing, a practical solution comes in the form of a suction cup and guide system. This system proves effective on rough surfaces, self-adjusts pressure, and provides the flexibility to remove and use the suction cups separately if necessary. An impressive example, the Nemo Grab model, can securely hold up to 170 kilograms of ceramic tiles or glass, showcasing its strength and reliability, all at an assembled price worth noting. The mind behind this welding helmet noticed a fascinating trend among welders. A staggering 90% do not utilize power-assisted air purifying respirators or paper units that cleanse and provide air. The common deterrent is that paper units tend to be heavy and costly. In response, the creator crafted a welding helmet with paper that is approximately 30% lighter than its counterparts. Changing filters is a swift process, and to add to its appeal, this helmet features a built-in speaker. Excitingly, a Kickstarter campaign for this innovative helmet is slated to launch on November 20th. It's a promising solution aiming to make welding safer and more accessible for a broader range of professionals. In the common situation where there's a need to handle an awkward load like a ladder, gas cylinder, or particle board sheet solo, the Hooklift Lander provides a simple yet patented solution. Priced at a modest $20, this device not only streamlines transportation but also minimizes the risk of injuries. Weighing less than 300 grams, this plastic assistant is versatile and can even assist with cleaning tasks, making it handy for lifting furniture and cleaning gutters. With its practical applications, the Hooklift Lander earns a spot, not only in a builder's toolkit but also in a household arsenal, offering convenience and safety in various scenarios. Priced at $35 and meticulously crafted with railroaders in mind, this cordless torque wrench is engineered to endure temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. With a robust design, it provides a maximum torque of 250 Newton-meters for threaded connections, all while weighing a manageable 14 kilograms, making it easily portable for a single worker. The built-in color display allows users to view settings, and for added convenience, it supports USB drives, streamlining work reporting. This torque wrench is not just a tool, it's a reliable companion designed to meet the specific needs of railroading professionals. German engineers from Metabo also decided to create something unique, and as a result, reinvented the compressor. Let's go through the features. It can handle up to 200 pounds per square inch, which is nearly 14 atmospheres, making it best in class for pressure. It allows for the simultaneous connection of two nail guns and features an oil-free design for easy maintenance. All of this is packed into a weight of 19 kilograms, making it 22% lighter than many competitors. The engineer's work has been duly recognized, earning them the Thick Innovator Award 2020, along with the title of the best option in terms of price-to-quality ratio from ProTool Review. By the way, it costs around $200. Achieving the power of a Chisel Plane for just $120 is as simple as making it smaller. That's the trick. This compact tool is tailored for working in tight spots where larger counterparts struggle to fit. Beyond its size advantage, you also get to choose between maple or coca BLO handles, while the steel remains consistently top-notch with American A2 tool steel. It's a versatile and budget-friendly solution for precision work in confined spaces, ensuring you don't compromise on quality despite its smaller size. Disinfecting airports, controlling humidity, and treating plants in greenhouses become effortless with this $270 sprayer. It not only simplifies these tasks but also presents entrepreneurial opportunities, providing versatility for various scenarios. The adjustable droplet size, as small as 50 microns, approximately the thickness of 2 hairs, enhances precision. The sprayer's capacity to consume up to 38 liters per hour allows for efficient coverage, with one refill spanning an impressive 2,600 square meters. Weighing a mere 4 kilograms, carrying the sprayer as a backpack is comfortable, ensuring convenience and effectiveness in various applications. For carpentry enthusiasts, here's a valuable addition to your toolkit: a rasp with snap-secured blades for easy replacement. Weighing just 45 grams, it's lightweight and easy to handle. The standard kit features a 10 centimeters wide curved blade, perfect for efficiently shaving corners. This innovative tool can be yours for $10, and it's not just for carpenters. Painters can benefit from it too. It's a versatile and cost-effective solution for various crafting needs. Here's a valuable addition to the toolkit for carpentry enthusiasts: a rasp that features snap-secured blades for effortless replacement. Beyond its functional design, it boasts a lightweight construction at just 45 grams, ensuring easy handling. The standard kit comes equipped with a 10 centimeters wide curved blade, perfect for efficiently shaving corners. All of this innovation can be yours for just $10, making it a versatile and cost-effective choice. Plus, its ingenuity extends to covering the needs of painters as well. It's a tool that combines convenience with innovation for both carpentry and painting tasks. Tidying up your paint rollers is now a breeze with this versatile tool. Begin by using it as a scraper, and then effortlessly switch to a roller cleaner. This handy tool is designed for cleaning rollers up to 23 centimeters wide, and you can own it for just $7. It's a cost-effective and practical solution to keep your paint rollers in top-notch condition, making your painting projects even more efficient and hassle-free. Introducing a game-changer in your toolkit: the cordless bolt cutter. Designed to outshine manual models, it's powered by the 18V1 Plus batteries, the same ones that fuel over 280 RYOBI tools, ensuring availability is never an obstacle. Picture this: 200 cuts on a single charge, effortlessly handling diameters up to 10 millimeters. It's not just about power. With optimal visibility of the cutting area and separate buttons for forward and reverse motion, this tool is a game-changer in precision. And the best part? All of this comes at an incredibly reasonable $130. Elevate your toolkit with efficiency and affordability. Revolutionizing pipe clearing, the creators of Terra Plunge offer a swift solution without the need for household chemicals or traditional plungers. This tool utilizes compressed air, boasting a powerful pressure of up to 6 bars, effectively clearing both organic matter and debris, even handling items like napkins. With adapters included, it's versatile enough for use in toilet bowls. The price for this game-changing tool? Just $32. Say goodbye to clogged pipes and welcome an efficient, chemical-free solution to your plumbing challenges. This spreader is also a good choice, useful throughout the year. In spring, it can be used for seeds, in summer for fertilizers, and in winter for treating with salt. With patented technology, the developers protected a special disc that provides a spreading range of 6 meters. They also considered convenience, making the full load of 16 kilograms feel manageable, thanks to the adjustable strap system. It is priced at $150. If turning the handle manually is too much, there's also a battery-powered version available, with a range of approximately 8 meters and a price tag of up to $250. A digital angle finder proves to be a valuable addition for both novices and seasoned professionals alike. The showcased model on the screen stands out with top-notch accuracy in its class, boasting a precision level of plus or minus 0.2 degrees. It can be securely set at the desired angle, facilitating easy marking when necessary. Powered by a AAA-type battery, the LED display ensures clear visibility of data in any lighting condition. Additionally, it comes equipped with rulers featuring both millimeter and inch scales. The price for this exceptional angle finder is $35. This tool is often sold under the name copper. It is used for installing supports, for example, under road fences, signs, fences, and similar structures. The model on the screen is equipped with a 52 cubic centimeters two-stroke gasoline engine. Thanks to the adapter rings, it is suitable for diameters of supports ranging from 25 to 102 millimeters. As a bonus, it comes with a square adapter. The price for such a tool is around $1,000.